Hello everyone, let me guide you through the quote section under the Sales tab. When you open the quote section, you'll land on the Pending Approval tab. This view displays all quotes that are currently awaiting buyer action. At this stage, the status of these quotes is open, meaning the buyer has not yet responded. Next, when you select Confirm Quotes, you'll see all quotes that have been accepted by the buyer. Under outdated quotes, you'll find quotes that have expired and are no longer valid. And in the Decline Quotes tab, you can view all quotes that were rejected by the buyer. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the New Quotation button. This allows you to create a new quote for the required buyer. From the storefront, buyers are able to view their quotes as well. After logging in as a buyer and navigating to the My Account section, all available quotes can be accessed. Here, the buyer can choose to either accept the quote and create an order, after which the quote will appear under Confirm Quotes in the seller panel, or reject the quote, which will then be listed under Declined Quotes. Thank you.